Hey guys, how you doing? Uh, so we're gonna, after apply a light sand on this table, now we're going to apply the first coat of stain. Uh, so let's see how it's gonna look. Let's see. Okay, guys. This is why it's so important to apply a light sand, because you never will be able to do the same color. So you gotta find the closest colors possible and apply it on an entire unit. So, but you gotta apply a first coat, a light sand first. Otherwise, it's not it's not good. Okay. Probably after 24 hours. Then you can apply a finish on top of it. So now this side, looks so clean.